Welcome to the Oceanic DataMask Training video. Let's press I to start. Information Aid 1, Objectives. Review the objectives of this dive. Watch video 1, Surface Mode. Go to Information Aid 2. To review the objectives of this dive, press O anytime to show and hide the objectives window. To watch video 1, press the www symbol on the bottom left corner. The Oceanic DataMask is a dive mask with an integrated advanced dive computer. eDiving is a virtual scuba diving simulator that features most of the DataMask's functions. The DataMask has two buttons. The top button is controlled by key 1 on your keyboard while eDiving. The side button is controlled by key 2 on your keyboard while eDiving. Now let's put on our DataMask and test out the surface functions in eDiving. You'll notice the dive computer screen on your bottom right. On the left is your tissue loading bar graph. Below that is your number of dives. On the top right is your surface interval time. Below that is your tank pressure. And finally on the bottom right indicates we are in normal mode. Let's begin by changing our air mixture to 38%. Press key 2 until you see the Set F screen. Press key 1 until you see the Set FO2 screen. Press key 2 to scroll the set point until you reach 38%. As you do so, you will see your maximum operating depth on the top right adjust. Press and release key 1 to save. After a few seconds, the DataMask screen will return to its main screen. Now let's change our PO2 alarm to 1.4. Press key 2 twice to see the Set A screen. Press key 1 until you see the Set PO2 screen. Press key 2 to scroll the set point until you reach 1.4. Press and release key 1 to save. Now let's review the alt screens by pressing key 1. Press once for your O2 level and nitrox mixture. Press twice for your current time and temperature. Now to Information Aid 2. Information Aid 2. As in the video, let's set the PO2 to 1.4. Then go to Information Aid 3. On to the next Information Aid. Information Aid 3. Objectives. Set FO2 at 38%. Go to Information Aid 4. Let's set the FO2 as explained in the video. On to the next Information Aid. Information Aid 4. Objectives. Verify FO2. Check time. Go to Information Aid number 5. Tips. Let's use key 1 as in the video to verify the FO2 and check the time. On to the next Information Aid. Information Aid 5. Objectives. Watch video 2, dive mode. Make a safe descent following the line. Go to Information Aid 6, underwater. As I descend, you will see the DataMask switch from surface to underwater mode. Press the top button on the DataMask, which is key 1 on your keyboard, to see my maximum depth and dive time. Let's press key 1 twice to see my nitrox settings. You can press key 1 3 times to see the current time and temperature. Now to Information Aid 6. Information Aid 6, Objectives. Review Normal Dive Mode Main. Go to Information Aid 7. Normal Dive Mode Main is the default screen when you are underwater. It will adjust as you swim, use air, and change depth. Check water temperature. Dive Alt 3. Make a safe ascent to Information Aid 8. On to Information Aid 8. Information Aid 8, Objectives. We've already established buoyancy, now let's view Video 3. You are now familiar with the Oceanic DataMask. To use the DataMask in the eDiving simulator with any of our other virtual dive sites, you must first buy it. There are 2 ways to buy the virtual DataMask. You can log into the eDiving website and access your equipment section, or buy it directly from the simulator. After logging in to eDiving, you must first click on Configuration, then Equipment. Click on the mask icon, click Shop on the bottom. Find and select the DataMask. For more information on the Oceanic DataMask, you can click the Oceanic logo at the bottom. If you don't have enough bubble credits to purchase the DataMask, you can click the bubble credit symbol to purchase more. Click Buy to get the virtual DataMask. You can see I am wearing the DataMask and I can now use it on any eDiving site. Press Escape and End Dive. On your summary screen, you have access to many important statistics to review and log your dive. Where you have traveled, temperature profile, nitrogen loading chart, and depth profile. This concludes your Oceanic DataMask training. Dive safe, eDive often, and tell your friends about eDiving.